Today I have a real challenge for you. These are called logic puzzles. They're not exactly math, but they are some higher order thinking, because you're going to have to eliminate things and use clues to be able to figure out which matches up to which. So let's look at this zoo trip logic puzzle together. Xavier and his 4 friends are all in a group for the zoo field trip. Each student in the group was assigned a different animal to investigate and draw on the trip. Using the clues, can you figure out what animal each child is supposed to investigate? So here are our clues. Number 1, one of the girls was so happy to have the king cobra. So I look at my list over here, and I've got some girls, and Xavier and Greg are boys. So what I can tell from that clue is that the boys do not have the king cobra, right? So it is not Xavier for king cobra, and it's not Greg. Number 2, Stephanie didn't have the tree frog. That's pretty straightforward. Stephanie, not the tree frog. And Kim and Xavier helped the person with the penguin find their information. So if Kim and Xavier helped the person with the penguin, then that means Kim and Xavier don't have the penguin. So Kim does not have the penguin. Where's that? Oh, right here. Penguin. Kim does not have the penguin, and Xavier does not have the penguin. Jennifer's giraffe drawing was great. Aha! I know now that Jennifer had the giraffe. So if Jennifer has the giraffe right here, put a check mark right there. That means she does not have any of those. So I'm going to put X's for every other animal in Jennifer's row. And because now I know that she has the giraffe, I'm going to put X's for Kim for giraffe, for Xavier for giraffe, Stephanie for giraffe, and Greg for giraffe. So only one person has each animal. Number 4, the boys had the frog and the penguin. So I know that Xavier and Greg then either have the frog or the penguin. Okay, Xavier and Greg are my 2 boys. One of them has the frog, one has the penguin. So look at Xavier. We've already crossed off penguin for him, so he must be the frog. And if he's the frog, then Kim is not the frog, and Greg is not the frog. And so Greg is the other boy. We've got the frog, so he must be the penguin. Greg has the penguin, so I'm going to put a check mark there. And that means I can cross off the macaw for him, and I can put an X by Stephanie's name for penguin, because she doesn't have that. Now we're down to 2 to figure out, Kim and Stephanie. 2 of the girls thought it was funny their animals started with the first letter of their names. Oh, now I can figure it out. So Kim must be king cobra, starts with K. And Stephanie must be the scarlet macaw. So now I know Kim had the king cobra, Jennifer had the giraffe, Xavier had the tree frog, Stephanie had the scarlet macaw, and Greg had the penguin. Now let's see if you can do one.